If you're thinking about buying a used car in Alberta, it's important to slow down and make sure you're protecting yourself during the process. Start by learning how the process works and what to watch out for. The Alberta Motor Vehicle Industry Council is a reliable place to check rules and buyer tips. When you meet a private seller, ask for valid ID and proof of ownership, like the current registration. This step helps confirm they're the real owner. Before you agree to buy, request a vehicle information report from a registry agent or AMA. This will show the car's registration history in Alberta. It's also a good idea to run a lien search using the VIN. If there's money still owed on the car, you could be on the hook for it. For extra peace of mind, consider a Carfax or CarProof report, since those often include accident history across Canada. Next, arrange a mechanical inspection at a licensed facility. Even if the car looks fine, a safety inspection can reveal hidden issues that might cost you later. You should also run the VIN through the Canadian Police Information Centre database to see if the car has been reported stolen. If everything checks out and you're ready to buy, complete a standard bill of sale. This is the document that records the seller's details, the buyer's details, and the key information about the vehicle. You'll need it to register and insure the car in your name. That is it. Thanks for watching.